Hey up guys, today's job, pull out this 1991 Escort Cabriolet. It's been sat here for about 2-3 years. I bought it with the intention to break it because it had the bonnet and the lights and so on and so forth, but I think it was too good to break. I know it does have problems with the back chassis, they're both rotten. I'm going to pull it out and give it a good look over today. It's had 17 previous owners. It's a 1600 EFI, I believe. We'll have a look. And yeah, I took the fuel tank off it and I did start to do the back chassis and then, well, grind them down. And then I thought, oh, I just can't be bothered at this time. And here it's sat for 2 years. So I'm going to pull it out and see what it needs. I'm going to give it a good wash over, good rinse off first, and then get it on the ramps. And she's out. Chuk 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 chuk. So it's scraping at the back. Could be anything. I think its springs broke at the back as well. Right. Oh, what are you doing, Raymond? Stay there. Taking the track. What is he doing? Well, she's out. I can walk around it now. The interior is grim. I have, however, noticed it's got a heated screen on it. Electric mirrors, central locking. I did put a battery on it. Oh, it's a power roof as well. Time for a wash. Okay guys, I've given it a good wash. Paint's come up pretty well really, because you know how these Fords, especially Radiant Red, fades. Going to show you the problems that I found. Commonplace on the Cabriolet. 2 little holes in the sill. Someone's put a wing on here. They haven't done a very good job, so that one's taken down. Seeing what's going on a bit deeper, I think. It has had paint, there's a run. That would flat out there. That's just tar. Rear arches are awesome. Let's go around the other side. Same place again on the sill. A little bit bigger this side. It's had a wing this side as well, but they've done a better job, minus the paint run. Fuel cap area. I think there's going to be some filler in there, but it's pretty solid, so I don't know. Maybe some filler. Rear arch feels good. Underneath, it's not bad. A lot of surface rust. They're meant to be there, by the way. Yeah, this underseal stuff is horrible. It cracks and then it lets moisture in. The rear chassis legs. So that's obviously really bad. Where the rear beam meets the chassis, there's a hole there. And a hole there. That one's actually pretty big. Right by the rear beam. So the rear beam's got to come off. It's not too bad. The other chassis leg is a bit of a mess, to be honest. It's got to be tidied up, but it's solid. It's just the weld's a mess. It was before I had the ramps. So that hole's meant to be, that hole's not meant to be. And once I start poking around that, I know there's going to be loads. So I think the rear beam's got to come off. Weirdly, I noticed there was no toe eye when I was pulling this on here. I'll show you around the front. The toe eye's missing. I think it's had a little bump at some point, maybe lost the toe eye. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. Tune in for part 2, guys. Thanks for watching.